Hello everyone. So in this particular video we are going to see how to handle a null values, how to replace a null values with some other values that actually we are going to see. So what I will do, I am going to read this employee1.csv. So I have uploaded this file. You can also upload this file into one of the lakehouse and then we can read. So if you had to read the CSV file, then what you have to write? I am going to create a new data frame, employee data frame. I am going to create spark dot read dot format. This we have learned, right? It is a CSV, so you have to mention the CSV, and after that you have to mention dot options, and here you have to mention header equal to true and infer schema equal to the true, and after that we are going to load dot load, and you have to pass the location. If you want to read this, click here, copy abfs path, and what actually we can do, we can pass here in a single quote. Now this one is ready. Now after that what we will do, we will try to read this. So if you had to read the data frame, what you have to write? Display emp data frame. Now if I will execute, you can see I am able to read the employee data frame. Now you can see in employee data frame, right, we have a multiple null values are also available. So if you can see in a name column also we have a few null value, and also in the location column is completely null value, email column is also completely null value. Now we are going to see how to work on this. So we have a first function filter. So suppose you want to filter only the null values which is available in a name, because as of now this is a very less data, so we are able to directly see like these are the null values are present. But suppose you have a millions of the record, and if you want to see how many null values are present, in that case how actually you can filter that. So what you have to write, employee df dot filter. I am going to filter only the null value which is present into the name column. So how actually I can do that? So if I write employee df dot filter, and if I write column name dot is null, I am saying employee df, we are filtering a column name is null, and if I'll display this, because I want to see that, let me execute. You can see whatever the null values is present, right, in a name column, that only we are able to filter. This is the two record where the null values are present. Now suppose you have to filter a name column where the values are not null, then how actually you can do that? I will write the same code. Instead of is null, I will write is not null. Instead of is null, I will write a is not null. Now in this case what I will get all those record where the values are not null. Where the values are not null means I will get only the valid values. So with the help of the filter we can filter is null and the is not null. Is null will tell me how many values which is null present into that particular column. Like this actually we can filter. If you want to filter where the values are not null, you can use a is not null. Now suppose you want to replace the value with something. So if I show you my data frame, display employee df, and if I'll execute, I have a few null values are present. Now I want to replace those. So suppose I want to replace this all the null value with a space. How actually I can do that? So we have a, first you have to pass the employee df, the data frame name. First you have to write the employee df, and after that you have to write dot na dot fill, and you want to replace with a slash or space, right? You mention the space, and after that if you want to see the record, what you have to do, display. In this case what will happen, whatever the null values is present, it will be replaced with the space. Now let's see whether it's working or not. Now you can see in previously whatever the null values was there, this whole column was null, right? And here also two rows values was null. Everything was replaced with the slash. So this is how actually we can do. But suppose you want to replace only in the specific column, this name column, whatever the null that only you want to replace, then how actually you can do that? You have to mention the data frame employee df dot na dot fill. Under this you have to pass the what actually you want to replace. I want to replace with the slash, right? I want to replace with a blank only. Which particular column? So in a bracket you have to mention the column name. So column name is name. Now if I want to see, I will write display also, and if I'll execute this, now in this case what will happen? Only in the name column whatever the null, right, that should replace with the blank. You can see now in the location and email null is present, but in the name column, right, it got replaced with the blank. You can replace with any value. Suppose if I write unknown here, unknown, and if I will execute this, you can see whatever the null, right, that got replaced with the unknown. Now suppose I want to do in a multiple column. So as of now I showed you only in one column, right? I want to replace in the name column as well as the location. So how actually I can do that? So for that I have to write employee df dot na dot fill. I want to replace with slash in the name column. So you mention the name column slash, and I want to replace the location with the unknown. So I will write dot na dot fill. I want to replace with the unknown into which particular column? That is a location column. Location column. So like this you can mention so what I am writing, employee df dot na dot fill slash in the name column dot na dot fill unknown with the location column. Now if I want to see this display, and if I'll execute, what will happen? That the name column, right, it got replaced with the blank, and the location it got replaced with the unknown. So that actually we can do. Now one thing you will notice, when we perform df.na.fill, right, when we perform employee df.na.fill means in every column actually it got reflected with a blank. You can see location and email completely got blank, name also completely got blank, because we are replacing with the blank value whatever the null value is there. But if you will see in a salary column also we have a null value, but it didn't get replaced. Why? Because this is a integer column. This is an integer column. We are replacing with the string value, right? So whatever the integer column, right, there it will not be reflected. Now similarly if I write the same code, but instead of writing slash, if I write a 0, if I write a 0, in this case what will happen? Only in the whole data frame wherever null value is present into the integer column, there only it will get replaced. If I'll execute this, you can see now in integer column whatever the null, right, that got replaced with the 0, but here in the other column whatever the string column, right, still it is showing the null. So that is the one thing you have to remember when you are using a df.na.fill. I hope you got the idea how to filter a null value, how to replace the null value, how to handle a null values in a multiple column.